You've written your book and it's live. You're now a published author. But now comes the big question. How do you actually make sure people find and buy your book? Publishing your book is just the first step. Marketing your book is crucial to ensure that your book reaches the right readers. At Notion Press, we offer tools that will help you do exactly that. Let's talk about a few smart ways you can promote your book and why they actually work. Let's start with Facebook and Instagram ads. Why these platforms? Because your audience is most likely already here. We will create the visuals and write the copy and then run targeted ads that appear in the feeds of people most likely to buy your book. These are carefully designed ad campaigns tailored to reach the ideal readers of your book's genre. If you want to increase your visibility, this is one of the fastest ways to do it. Now let's talk about social media branding. Say you want more than just book sales. You want to build your online presence as an author. Maybe you want to attract clients, promote a product, or build long-term credibility. That's where social media branding comes in. We sit down with you to understand your goal, choose the best platform, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, and create a content strategy that positions you the right way. From there, we write and design the content. We decide what to say and how to say it, so you can start building an online presence that goes beyond just one book. It builds trust and a connection with your audience. Then there's book reviews. If you want to build credibility, you can collaborate with book bloggers and reviewers to get real, authentic reviews on platforms like Instagram, Amazon, and Goodreads. Why does this matter? Because potential readers often check reviews before they decide to buy. Seeing genuine, well-written reviews can convince someone that your book is worth reading. And finally, there's a method that's really effective. Creator-led video ads. We script, design, and produce videos based on your book's theme and target audience. These videos are attention-grabbing and social media friendly and are bound to do well on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Since these videos are very similar to the kind of content that people already consume, you can use that to bring your book to the kind of people that are most likely to buy it. So if you're wondering how to promote your book, it's all about showing up at the right place with the right message and reaching the right people. At Notion Press, we help you do exactly that with different types of promotional strategies. Your book deserves to be read and we have the tools to make it happen. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!